This is one of the security threats inside a jail pod in Thomas County. From leaking roofs to doors that won't unlock, jail leaders are pushing for urgent changes.
When you get more inmates in here than what the ventilation will handle, you'll have infectious diseases spread, you'll have fights, conflicts, and things kicking off.
I'm Leanne Abu-Tarbush, your Thomasville neighborhood reporter, taking a closer look at what's standing in the way of their progress and why jail leaders say they can't afford to wait any longer. The Thomas County Jail is now 33 years old, and it's struggling to keep up with a growing inmate population that's currently at 235, though it sometimes goes over 300. That's more than the facility was designed for, and jail leaders say the problem is compounded because mental health inmates take up more space than regular inmates, reducing the overall housing capacity.
Our issue is the state of Georgia decided to close Southwestern State Hospital, so we now have a lot of the mental patients that were in Southwestern State Hospital are now being housed at the Thomas County Jail. So we need to be able to secure those people from the general population for their protection and also for the general population's protection.
But housing all those inmates at a 33-year-old jail adds pressure on the jail's safety and space. Some of the most urgent issues now include...
The priority is to repair the roof. We have 2 housing units, A pod and B pod, and both sides are leaking.
After that comes upgrading the security system, fixing plumbing, replacing bedding, repairing corroded doors, addressing mold, updating locking mechanism, modernizing lighting, and renovating showers.
Well, we have many blind spots in our housing unit, and the inmates know this. So, and at times they do use it for like altercations, fights. They'll get into the blind spot and they'll have fights. They do their transactions and stuff. We'd be naive to think that our jail is completely drug free. It's going to get in. If there's a demand for it, there's going to be a way to get it in. There's going to be a desire to get it in.
These renovations aren't a luxury. They're a necessity. Burgess warns that delays could put staff, inmates, and the public at risk and could open the county up to lawsuits if someone gets hurt.
If the doors are so eroded and corroded that they're rotting off at the bottom, are we really secure? Are we protecting the people around us from the inmate population that could victimize them?
Engineers who evaluated the jail said it would actually be more cost-effective to build a completely new facility rather than keep patching this 33-year-old building. But the funding, which is estimated to cost millions of dollars, has been hard to secure.
In the perfect world, the sheriff would like to have a new jail with direct supervision, where it would actually cut down the amount of staff we would need. We could actually supervise more inmates with less personnel. But that's a bridge that we'll have to address with the county commissioners.
Most repairs are on hold until commissioners approve the work and help secure funding. But roof repairs are expected to begin within 30 days. In Thomasville, I'm Leanne Abu-Tarbush, ABC 27.